Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Back again here. In this video, it's Tuesday evening. This is a video of that guy of mine. His name's Ryan Westwood or someone like that from YouTube, or Ryangle, I call it. This is Big Tennis Records. Has got an epic tongue out burping skills sessions. I can render every video last year. So this is the 3rd of December last year. This is quite a good thing. It's quite I do with the thing right now, and you could do it with the tongue as well. To be honest, so I wanted to react to it. So this is from last year, about 1 year. That was about last year ago. It's about 1 year ago. So I want to react to it. So this is Ryan Westwood. So this is Big Tennis Records. So Big Tennis Records, this is for you.
Well, my sweet Julies.
Well,
today we're going to be a bit more sensible.
I've pressed 22 likes. 24 likes.
An extremely important request. Somebody has asked me to do some burps, but to do these burps with my tongue out.
As requested, you have filthy animals.
I'm a man that is happy to draw.
Like Home Alone over again.
Different things.
Keeper, change your filthy animal. It reminds me of the episode movie.
Adventurous. There we go. I'm very adventurous. Yeah. So let's give this a little bit of a go. Okay, just bear with me. Let me get this ready.
Here we go. About to do it.
Burps first. I hate it when somebody says, "Yo, you want to see my burp video?" Yeah. Okay, go on. Let's watch it, bloke. All right, you ready?
Yeah, watch it. Come on. Wow.
What the fuck is that?
What the hell is that? Okay.
This is a burp.
This is a burp right here. And this time with a tongue.
Compare them two. If you're good at editing videos, you could make a video. Oh, this is what you could do. If you're good at making videos, do this. Make one video. No, it's the same video, not two videos. Make a video. Why? I'm getting confused because there's people talking outside.
Yeah.
Make a video.
That's his neighbour.
And have... Oh my god, I'm confused, bruv. The video could be called The Difference Between... Fuck me, people talking.
I can hear someone talking in the background.
You have a video that says,
on this video, right here in this middle of the video.
Title, but maybe something like the difference between a good burp and an epic burp.
The epic one.
I don't know, something like that. And you could have the little one at the start like this, and then the big one. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so oh god, let's get back to it. So tongue out burps. Sorry if there's any dribble or toothpaste or anything. Okay.
What do you eat?
This feels a bit dirty.
Oh,
I actually brought the tongue back in then.
Wow.
Should we say the tongue? Oh god. Should we say the tongue can change the sound of the burp? I'm like a walking, talking musical instrument. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
It does a little bit, doesn't it? It's hard to do though. I can't multitask like this.
Whoa. Keep going. Keep going, dude.
Oh god. Everyone's stuck then. Dad? Dad?
It's about to do it.
You any good at burping? Try. Fucking faggot. One more before I go? Okay, you want one more?
Oh.
Oh god. There was a rumble in the depths.
There's a rumble in the depths. Okay, so this is the video right now. Epic turnout burping skills. Looks quite a little bit fast to get 5 out of 10. Like, it was quite a good one. A bit. So I'll have to do all of them. Like, it's very difficult to do it. That was pretty a good thing to come. Like the great ones you've seen that I know what things could be like right now. So, but yeah, this is a tongue out thing. Part why I can't do it. So he's an expert. So go check it out. Go check out this guy. He's a good talent. He's a good talent of burping and stuff like that, and all kinds of stuff like that. As apart from, I don't know, it's apart from Big Tennis Records or Viangle, I could call it. Go check out this guy. It's a good guy, and yeah, it's quite a good video. A very good one, I suppose. So maybe I'll do some more of it with the Christmas edition of this. I can't wait. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my reaction on Tuesday night, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye.